Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making some Thai sweet chili salmon. And here are our adorable ingredients that we will be using. So here I'm adding 1 cup of sweet chili sauce to my bowl. And Vibes fam, sadly, oh so sadly, all sweet chili sauce are not created equally. Honestly, some don't taste right. So you need to find one that tastes good all by itself, right? It makes a difference in the dish. And here I'm adding 1/3 cup of dark soy sauce, right? So dark soy sauce are just regular soy sauce, right? Not low sodium, because then maybe you would need to add some salt if you add low sodium soy sauce, right? And I also added 1 tablespoon of chopped up garlic. So you can add 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of garlic. So if you really like extremely love garlic, then you add 1.5 or 2 tablespoons of the chopped up garlic. You want to give that a stir and look at thick and lush. So good. So now we are gonna marinate our salmon. So I'm putting it in my little square glass bowl and I'm putting all those pieces in there, right? And then we are gonna go ahead and pour. Ooh, look at lush. Lather up, pour up and pour and get it all over all over those beautiful pieces of salmon. Oh, so healthy and thick and lush. Ooh, drop all over on me. So so yeah, vibes, we're just going to try to get the sauce everywhere. So you want to get it to the side, right, and down in the other side right there. And yeah, just push them all over. Make space for that delicious sauce. You want it everywhere. And of course, you are gonna need to lift those pieces just a little bit, to make sure the sauce goes under the bottom. Yes. Come true, saucy. Go under there. Get it all up in there. And where it looks like it's lacking, take up some and just, yes, drip it on there. Drip it. Awesome. Okay, so that's it. All done. And we're going to go ahead and just cover this with some cling film, or just cover it with, what do you call that? A plate or something. Just cover it and put it down for at least an hour. You can put it in the fridge, or if your place is nice and chilly, you can just leave it on the countertop, right? For at least an hour. Okay? So this is after an hour and we're getting ready to put it in the broiler. So yeah, Vibes Sam, I'm adding a little bit of oil to my baking tray just to make sure that the salmon doesn't stick to the bottom, because guess what? The sauce is so nice and thick, it's gonna wanna just hold on to that tray. So add a little bit of oil and then we're going to put our salmon in the tray. Oh yes. Oh, look at them. They look so good already and they aren't even ready. Like what? Look at goods. Look at good. Come true. Good body salmon. Yes. So yes, you want to take the salmon pieces and you want to put it on the tray. So I will be putting it in my broiler, right, for 10 minutes. But guess what, Vibes Sam? Don't worry. If you don't have a broiler, just put it in your oven at 176 degrees Celsius. That is 348 degrees Fahrenheit. I put it in the broiler for 10 minutes, but you can try like 8 minutes in the oven, right? So do it for about 8 minutes at 176 degrees Celsius and then take it out and look if it's good for you. And then that's gonna be you. So yeah, get the sauce everywhere. Get all of that sauce out of that tray now. Out of that glass bowl. Get it up. Ooh, that looks so good. Look good. Put it in the broiler for 10 minutes. Ooh. And woo! Look at the bubbles taking place, bubbling. Look at that beautifulness. Look at it. Ooh, look at the steam. Oh, you look so good. All of you, 10 minutes. All of you, 10 minutes. Ooh, look at the steam. Ooh, look at the bubbles. I love it. I love it. And Vibes fam, here we have it. Here we have this delicious, look at glisten. Look at it, how it's glistening like cocoa butter touch the body, like shea butter touch the body. No, it is all of that nice star sweet chili salmon glistening body. That don't even make sense. But you know what I'm saying, Vibe Sam. But yeah, listen, don't even worry. Don't even worry about it saying, because somebody's gonna be like, so she don't add any salt, she don't add any seasoning. No. The sweet chili sauce is right? That's like everything. And then the soy sauce, remember that is salty, so don't add any salt. Soy sauce by itself is extremely salty. So yeah, Vibe Sam, this is amazing. Try it. And I just had it with some rice and a few little, veggies. But thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and go follow me on Instagram. Thank you. God bless you.